How to use Power BI, a step-by-step tutorial. Microsoft Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool that helps turn raw data into clear, interactive visuals, allowing teams to identify trends, patterns, and insights through dashboards, charts, and reports. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Installing Power BI. The first step is to download the latest Power BI desktop installer for free. Choose your preferred language, run the installer, and follow the on-screen instructions. To ensure optimal performance, Microsoft recommends meeting these prerequisites: Windows 11 or Windows Server 2019 or later, Net 4.8 or newer, and WebView 2 installed. At least 2 GB of RAM, though 4 GB or more is recommended. A minimum screen resolution of 1440 by 900. If the interface doesn't display correctly, adjusting Windows display scaling back to 100% may resolve the issue. Navigating the Power BI desktop interface. When you open Power BI desktop, you'll start with a blank report canvas. At the top is the ribbon with the primary tools for creating and managing reports. On the left, you'll find different views: report, data, and model. The center of the screen is the canvas. On the bottom is the page selector, which lets you navigate between report pages. And on the right, you'll see panes for filters, visualizations, and fields. Keep in mind that Power BI's interface may change over time, so it's a good idea to review the Power BI desktop changelog for recent updates. Adding data and creating a report. Importing data into Power BI desktop. To begin building a report, start by importing data. Click Get Data from the Home ribbon. Then choose a data source such as a file or database. You can load the data directly or select Transform Data to open the Power Query editor, where you can clean and reshape your data by filtering rows and merging tables. Once finished, click Close and Apply. Creating a report. With your data loaded, you can build your report. Use the model view to organize tables and define relationships. You can also create calculated measures using data analysis expressions, or DAX. From the visualizations pane, select chart types such as bar charts or line charts, and assign fields to define how data is displayed. Publishing to Power BI service. Once your report is ready, you can publish it to Power BI service, the cloud-based Power BI platform used for collaboration and sharing. Click Publish from the Home tab, select a workspace, and complete the upload. The report and its dataset will be available online, where they can be shared with team members. Overall, Power BI is a versatile and powerful platform for modern data analysis and reporting. From building interactive dashboards to performing advanced analytics, it empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions with confidence. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to use Power BI, linked in the description below.